You know, it's gonna be them days where you so who really got your back. Hey, and it just be like that. I know, 'cause I done lived through that shit. I promise that I done seen all that shit. Hey. See the difference between real and fake and give it space. Check out the energy, describe to me what it'll take. I see who got my back, you entitled to your place. I swear that niggas get that two-tone syndrome and make mistakes. What I gotta prove to you? Who the fuck are you to prove? Anything to prove, don't gotta be proved to you. Nigga, don't get it confused. You see me put in work, don't make me show you who did it first. You know I'm for sure. I be smoking 'cause I'd rather fly with the birds. Swear I be up in the sky trying to make it work. R.I.P. my nigga Fonzo, we came from the dirt. It hurts, I gotta see my nigga in the hearse. You gotta face life when real shit occurs, and leave the bullshit where it's at that lurks. Niggas don't change for the fame, I hope Phoenix takes notice. I'ma destroy and rebuild, so stay focused. Go figure. Go motherfucking figure. When shit get real, who got your back? Ay, it is what it is. Niggas talking about they running Phoenix, they doing this and that. Ain't nobody checking for them though. Niggas doing the same shit, same place. And we ain't gonna talk about these top 10 lists. Phoenix, what's happening? I should be on that. Each top 10 list has different people than the other top 10 lists. I can name mine. Shit's wild. And ain't no Jaime Giovanni. Ain't no Jaime Giovanni? Huh? I don't know. Time to destroy and rebuild, my nigga. That's all I see. Somebody got to do it. Destroy and rebuild. Fuck these niggas thinking. Niggas out here running with snitches and shit. Niggas got paperwork. Niggas gang though. I don't fuck with weirdos. Hey. Destroy and rebuild.